Nti na me edit movies na me ntwese ni. Na mo me beye me movie ba ko bia ye friends asofa aware. Ena na mama bra wo oba be direct. Ena ye frɛ Apostle John Pran no so wo enkoko wantimi amedu. Ena na say hotel bills no area ye was set so enti me ankasa o kire me play role na Apostle John Pran obe play. By then I was a movie producer. Sata mi nyina no na me ye mining. Eti na me ko set so a me ne first person me to Lincoln Navigator ewo Kumase. Ansa na ejako eto ne de. Oh bra, ye sha bra ba senye ne. Obi ni mu a wo frɛ wakoa. So when you see someone soaring higher, go closer to the person. Then you check the person's history. And you say me fitting one and baba ye say you, there be you. My breath pain, me su pain, me dimate pain. Tinti na me edit movies, na me interest in it. Na mo me be ye me movie ba ko bia ye friends asofa aware. Ena na mama bra wo oba be direct. Ena ye frɛ Apostle John Pran no so wo enkoko wantimi amedu. Ena na say hotel bills no area ye was set so enti me ankasa o kire me play role na Apostle John Pran obe play. By then I was a movie producer. Sata mi nyina no na me ye mining. Eti na me ko set so a me ne first person me to Lincoln Navigator ewo Kumase. Ansa na ejako eto ne de. Oh bra, ye sha bra ba senye ne. Obi ni mu a wo frɛ wakoa. So when you see someone soaring higher, go closer to the person. Then you check the person's history. And you say me fitting one and baba ye say you, there be you. My breath pain, me su pain, me dimate pain. Me na me ya sorry school park so ye pon ya na me come manson kan. Come manson obateme story wo ho. Ye fra manson ba bi se Keniago. Ye fra ba bi se Adubia. Manson kwanta. Keniago Adubia manson kwanta. Ufri manson kwanta na wako. Ufri manson kwanta na wako Adubia. Ufri Adubia eto mu saa kokosi manson kan. Unim se ya wo manson kan. Eho nyina eye mine nko a eho nyina makota job ho bra me say na me nyanko hye galamse asem na me ye mate mi na me ye mate wo VIP bus me master ene bra kwa me ene wonim say me master na me ye mate wo ono ne ka mu ene me nso matoka ni bia mana sesi a me de oya me master ne ene me makwakoye ona oni ne twi me ka ayarefo bebre wo hospital kasim pa dakro wo kwa adwuma ohu ya se ne tie ba ko atu tie na mpai no nya ba bi pake wo pake ya pe okofa tie na aka boat a wode be wura tie ni mu ache tie no ode akwa adwuma afi wo gina ono de kwa na ho ugina ono de kwa na ho bodamfo bi twam apɛ no se hey dog na wo ye den wo se metai na etu no se na wo tai etu afa hye wo se boat na bubom ni nyina tutu ogukwan no so oh to wo be ye den wo se metwa fitani okoto boat ni bi aba bodamfo ni gina ho din wo se ah na wo twa fitani am na koto boat aba bra boat no so ebi bobo 3 ties ni nyina mu ada na 3 ties ni nyina ye 4 ngotu ha ba kuntu ha ba na mfa mama me just we say na wo mfa nkwa adwuma doctor ni gina odin wo se wow akwape na doctor ntutu boat ni nyina makoma na de be fesi wi o move car na move no de kwa adwuma onam kwa so awo ko na se mo kan se enne na mahunu pa se nyansa ye de wo na nche school nko am na nche aburuchire krum. You can see this young man, his thinking faculty is very down. He's not matured in mind. Like he doesn't know his left from his right. But he's trying to advise a noble man. Oka se me Jimmy for ahụ anka Nyankopɔn betimi ameliti nipa bebrebe. Hey, metigana ha. Anso mi pra wo bi krom etwia wo moka wo ho. Nti woka se Nyankopɔn on prepare me ya. Anka metimi alidi nipa dodo sa. Bra. Asem na woka se na chese maye meguso ye no me pa cho yes, we are still calling for sponsorship because we deserve it. Omo amugina TV so echinchim omo pakra no, they call for sponsorship. When we talk of sponsorship, you throw letter the co company akesiem. What is said? You throw sponsorship letter e dia koma koko rada. Na koko rada nisika say. So it tells you say sponsorship, it is not for boys, it is for men. So when you are not prepared, don't go and join any sponsorship meeting. Any level, no. You need to cut your coat according to your size. You can see the guy was not part of the sponsorship meeting, but on one person didn't know about bishim. Dema, go and check your constitution. You get to know that every registered church is part of the constitution, and our church is registered. We in project Taya, yeah, one village, one borehole. So am I not supposed to call for sponsorship? What are you talking about? And is it a crime to call for sponsorship to come and sponsor such a great cause? No, it's not a crime. When nipa yesho university, kogoso hospital kohwe, mi student eguo, omunya mabusuafo, me say mo ankasa go and make investigations. And when our man investigations, no mo baba be hona me assistate sia. Nya ade ami hunu. Bra, mo papa no makasa, mo boys no mo nyedin na mo nya kohoma. It is sponsorship no. We are still calling for sponsorship. If you want to sponsor our ministry, me pa chawo. Ejuwade bia eye Kumase atonso aputuja. Enu nti enajuo yi, me no kase omo a eka o makoma no mo hu se dwuma ameye no eso. Nti o mbeba beboa no, they are there. Yenye counseling and charge. Ye free counseling. If you know the sponsorship is not your level, wait for the free counseling. We will announce it on TV. Boy, ne kasa asamba kwa waka ya me srekura ne say. Why na asuma se could be TV. Na branch no wakasa na ehfa no hu me. Okaso hu me fridge mu. Waso wo hwe TV. Me pacho the TV we pay. U TV na board them hono. Uko wiai ana wotoy ana ya de chew wo fun le kuta ya de chew ana you bought it. It is a nipa kwani hwe mo TV so na wo hwe nyuma pa ye masa wo na wo hu ye so fa so na se ko hwe. People are waiting for prophetic advantage. I can never let you all come to believe my ministry. It is against natural law. Nye nipa nyina na bedo. Yes. Enti enye nipa nyina na bedo no empempem do me. Na empempem so tamia is part of life. But all what I want you to know is ne pacho enye crime. Abruchire ho na won busa say, is it a crime to call for sponsorship? We were calling for sponsorship. We didn't force him. What shall brand you cross the way I know what Casa said, me bomb paye and a tag gum come nam sick up. You can see, said, Nina your settings. But when my decrontia say, Uncle Force set a software, or move feel so happy because of whom say, Yanya side, the weak. Yanya side and Yitimika say, and yes, she, a Jaffa chawon, no name near warrior. Yes, you can say, we say, or see a Jaffa chawon, no name near warrior. Na di wonim de warrior, et is a wa woka say. Wa wo comment rubbishy, and it dear or no so air pass a commenty. Ne pacho. Mo amulim de mo yen. It was say rather the chemo and answer one fan chemo. What's now broche so many years? When was the last time I would see Cabesanaco prison service? When was the last time I would see and now say Indomie Crabesnacoma children's home? Are they not part of the society? They are part, but we have neglected them. Leader, I said, I am born to make impact. What is 1,000 Ghana cedis? Do you know how much people are sponsoring the ministry? That is why we are into project. One village, one borehole. I will see to it the whole Ghana, every village will get one borehole. No man konumun shia a wofom. It is obi dinisika baba sponsor such a great cause. Is it a cry? Bema. I have told you I will use your insult to produce a resource. So I am still calling for sponsorship. Every Thursday is a cry. Every Thursday is a cry. Every Monday is Kumasi Atosu Eputioya. Yes. I say respond to the name Prophet KB Mano King. I am the state here for Ghana. If you are having Ghana card, then bear in mind I am your prophet. And yes, I may share kwa. Ye manage economy no. Na die bi aban me no. Ye nso ye. Motimi a picking me video a me de nneoma koma prison service. Ma picking bia hype da. Just nipa bibini. Omon picking de ye ne da. De bia de nipa be azum no. Mo assumption no. Eno ana mo de ye adwuma. But it is wrong. Bra. Wo kasa no wo say obi ansoma me TV station. Na branche wo hwe mo fridge mo anko beba. Ana ko hwe mo microwave mo anko beba. Edu ba biam say osafo menkasa don't respond hwe Yesu ho Yesu so wo social media anka omma enkofo nsensem o mo kan nyina ngo waste da ko be respond fine because some of you need wisdom. We need to teach you something. You get my point? Obi ansoma me say me TV station. Asema woken wankasa, are you not ashamed of yourself? Anti wo kwa abruchire no. Wudu airport wona nhunu say plane no, o ma be park yesi ho no. Wudu wa na akofo tena mu. O tena plane mu apɛ no mba enso wo take it was mini take it. Any si form house obi ansoma me say mo mra me park plane is here. What are you talking about? Masa, we should call a spade, not a big spoon. I said we are having sponsorship meeting and we are having free counseling. Inti mo amose inti obi ni star won't me hume. Wo ba asori wa boko bia, ye pon asori a. Omo mu ni sika nyina baba be hume. What about that? Ada ye free sponsorship me say uti elso tete ye enko yi tete ye. Don't join the sponsorship meeting if you are not ready.